Hi everybody, welcome to week 3. This week we're going to be focusing on performance assessments, personal communication, and we're starting to look at the standards-based grading text, but we're just starting to read that and we'll just start to discuss it next week. So this week we'll be reading chapters 7 and 8. You'll have a chance to think about performance assessment and personal communication. I provided a video that I hope shows some examples of personal communication as a form of assessment. So, and then the big thing that I'd like you guys to start working on is obviously developing your own assessment for your CBA. So what you want to do is look at the feedback that I provided for you and work with your partner or partners to find some resources online to help you think about, okay, what types, given the assessment methods that we looked at in chapters 4 through 8, what assessment methods are going to work the best for our learning targets. And you can either, if you're doing a performance assessment, you might decide I need to focus on that, and you might not have a lot of different assessment methods. But if you're making a test, you might have more than one method. Or if you're working with very young children, you might definitely use a lot more personal communication, for example, than maybe some other types of methods. Okay, so please, I want to just point out that there are examples. For the CBA, you want to, number one, if you didn't look at the videos that I posted, make sure you do. Number two, look at the rubric, because I will use that to eventually grade. I'm using that to give you feedback and to assess your product as well at the end. And then do check out the examples, as they will provide you examples and hopefully a little bit of help. And obviously you don't want to take directly from those, but you can get an idea of sort of what the different sections are looking for as well. Obviously, that being said, if you have any questions, do let me know. So this week we're looking at performance assessment and personal communication. And performance assessment is, it's a lot more time consuming than just creating a selected response or a written response as a test. And so, but some of y'all definitely have standards and disciplines that much more call for performance assessments. So here I have brief activities that we can do to practice that. And then this week you guys are going to be participating in our Flipgrid. And our Flipgrid topics for this week are related to personal communication. So yay, some of y'all have already posted. I'd like for you all to check out a video of a teacher using personal communication as a form of formative assessment during a math lesson. And I'm just asking for you guys to look at the video and discuss that with one another using our text as well. So please make an effort to post your first initial response by Wednesday of this week, and then you'll have till the end of the day, Saturday, to respond to 2 people. Okay, your CBA, I'm going to be giving you a feedback on parts 1 through 5, and I'm asking that you turn that in by Friday of this week. If you're working with your group and you really decide that you really would need Saturday to finish that up, let me know before Friday comes so that I can know and I can let you know whether or not that'd be fine, and I will know what to expect from y'all.